The President is currently in Japan for a state visit. Those 5 companies signing up with the President are all PEZA investors, committing to invest some 60 billion pesos in investments. And this weekend, I am again leaving for Japan together with Science Park Group and Sochits because we want to bring in more Japanese investors into the Philippines, the Japanese being Ichiban, particularly in the PEZA economic zones. And whenever PEZA promotes the Philippines to global investors, 2 messages consistently stand out. First is, whenever I say that in PEZA, there is no red tape, only red carpet treatment for investors. I think that speaks volumes of the trust and confidence of our investors in the Philippines through PEZA because of the quality of governance that we provide all these years. And more importantly, the second one, our competitive edge, I would say, the most competitive edge of Philippines is of course our Filipino workforce because they remain one of the country's greatest competitive advantages.